How to add a vehicle on web. Want to keep a digital record of all the vehicles in your fleet? You can do that by adding vehicles inside the LocoNav platform on web. To set up an overspeeding alert, you must first have a wired GPS tracker, or OBD device installed in your vehicle, along with an active subscription to the LocoNav fleet and asset management system. Select Vehicles module from the side navigation menu and click on Vehicle Directory. A dashboard will appear with a list of all vehicles in your fleet. Click on the Add Vehicle button. You can find it on the top right of your screen. Now enter the vehicle details, starting with the vehicle registration number. Then choose a vehicle icon and display number, which will be used to represent the vehicle on the map view. Next, enter other vehicle details such as the odometer reading, vehicle make, model year, vehicle type, chassis number, fuel type, and expected mileage. You can also choose a vehicle color to represent the vehicle on the map view. Click Add Vehicle to save vehicle details. You can add as many vehicles as you like. To learn more about LocoNav's fleet and asset management system, write to us at hi@loconav.com.